Okay, and when you decide to pick the number, what was 64533? You see how it was first issued. All these, 32 and 34 was issued in 1993. So I'm gonna try to keep it around the age range when I use that 64533. If I am, I make sure my person was born in 1993 or, around that, 92. And if you're having a hard time just coming up with a person and, identity, you can get on this website right here, Fox ID, and type in your gender, United States, age range, what was 25 to 34, okay. Generate. Okay, they'll give you identities. You can change the name if you want. They was born in 89, which I'm not going to use them because I want to use somebody born in 92 to 93. To give you birthdays. Like you can take down all this. You don't have to come up with a whole nother person off the top of your head. They'll help you. Let me see this. Let's check it again. Regenerate. Oh, that's a weird ass name. Oh, they giving me these old ass people. 1988. Come on, man. $1991. That's close. Let's just do the birthday. Okay, 1996. But you get what I'm saying. To just help you come up with a whole different identity, even if you didn't want to use the birthday.